You would have probably seen this kind of motivational videos somewhere on Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube Shorts. These videos are going so much viral and people are making a lot of money from YouTube Shorts and thousands of followers on Instagram.
I know you've wondered how these stunning images start speaking directly to your soul. And no, it's not wizardry, it's technology. I'm going to guide you step by step through the entire process, from selecting the perfect image to adding that powerful voice that'll give your creation the edge it deserves. Now, you can make it too. Yes, you heard it right. Now, you can also make money from YouTube by uploading these shorts regularly. And the best part is, you don't need to learn any professional skills. You only have to watch this video till the end. Are you ready to turn your photos into captivating stories? Do you want to make your images come alive with inspiration and motivation? Well, you're in for a treat because in today's tutorial, I'm going to unveil the magic behind those viral talking photos you've seen on Instagram. But before we dive into this exciting journey of creativity, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our mind-blowing tutorials. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. Get ready to unleash your creativity and master the art of talking photos that'll not only boost your engagement, but also inspire and connect on a whole new level. So let's get started. This tutorial is based on 4 steps. In the first step, we'll generate a script. In the second step, we'll convert the script into a voice. In the third step, we'll generate an AI image. And in the fourth step, we'll make that image alive. So let's start with step 1. To generate script, we are going to use ChatGPT. So open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Click the first website. Now we want a motivational quote, so let's type motivational quotes for man. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated a lot of motivational quotes. I like this one, so let me copy this. Step 2. Now we have to convert our text into speech. For that, I have found an amazing tool called 11 Labs. So search for it and click the first website. Click here to create your account. I am going to use my Google account. This website is free, but only for 10,000. If you want to generate more, then you can even purchase a subscription to get 30,000 or even up to 100,000 characters per month. There is an easy way too. You can also use it by signing in with new Gmail accounts. Once you sign in, click on Speech Synthesis. I have tried other text-to-speech tools, but this one is my favorite because of its accuracy and natural voice generation. Now, if you click here, you will find a lot of different variations of voice that are all free and look so natural. Let me show you some.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take...
What worries you masters you.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
I am going to select this one, and you can choose any one you like. Now, you can change the voice settings. From here, you can select the language, like English, Japanese, or even Hindi. Here paste the quote we want to convert in voice and click Generate.
It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop.
Now you can see that this voice is looking super natural. Simply download it by clicking here. Step 3. Now it's time to make a photo that will talk. To do that, we are going to generate a photo from Leonardo.ai. You can use any other AI image generator if you want, but I like this one, so let's search for it. Click the first website. Simply create your account. By using this tool, you can generate free AI images as you can see these amazing results. If you don't know how to use this tool, watch our video where we have provided a step-by-step guide on how to use Leonardo.ai. I have provided the link in the description below. Now click on AI Image Generation. Here, write the prompt which type of image you want to generate. Let me type, a Chinese old man in traditional suit looking at the camera, a dark background. Click Generate and wait for a few seconds. I like this one. Click on it. Upscale it from here and download it. Step 4. Search for DID AI. Click the first website. This is the website from which we will make our image alive. Let's get a quick look at what task this tool can perform, giving a face conversational AI. Nice. Let's check this.
Chat.did lets users talk with an AI. Really talk. No keyboards, no cursors, a face-to-face conversation. You can ask me almost anything.
What's a good way to propose to my girlfriend?
Read a funny story for my kids to make them laugh.
Explain quantum physics to me as if I were a 7-year-old.
What is the better baby name, Sarah or Sophia?
Anything.
Inspire me in a sentence before my big meeting.
You have the power within you to overcome any obstacle and
Now click on Start Free Trial. Click on Create Video. Here you will find different avatars just like this. You can also choose any character from here, but we have made our own image. So click here and upload the image that you have generated before. Click here to upload your audio file.
It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop.
And once it's done, click Generate and your video will be ready. I do not have the premium version of this tool, so I am not allowed to download video with my uploaded audio. Now, at least you know how you can use your own audio. To download it, I am going to use its own text-to-speech tool. So click on Script and paste the quote here. Now let's select a male voice. Click Generate Video. Click Generate. Now wait for some time. And our video is ready. Let's check it out.
It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop.
Isn't this amazing? If you want to get rid of this logo, you can simply crop it. That's all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.